Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger and explain why you might want to do this. If you have issues accessing message across devices or noticed that certain features aren't working, disabling encryption may help. Once you're in the Messenger app, tap in the three horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. Scroll down and tap on settings here. After that, tap on privacy and safety. Under the security section, tap on end-to-end encryption here. Click on it. Now tap on manage storage. This is what controls whether encryption is enabled. Here you can click on turn off secure storage. You may be asked to confirm. Go ahead and do that. After turning it off, your chats will no longer be encrypted, but they will sync better across devices. And that's it. You have successfully turned off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.